In this video, we'll see how to solve by factoring. If an equation is set to 0 and can be factored, we first need to factor it. Then use the zero product principle or zero product rule to solve. Let's take a look at an example and see what that means. So here we have an equation. Our directions are to solve this equation. So we notice it can be factored. So that's what we need to do. We need to factor. So this, we looked at our factoring strategy. I know this one is 3 terms. So I'm looking for two numbers that multiply together to give you -12, add together to give you -4, and with a little bit of investigation, I can see that that should be -6 and +2. So I factor x minus 6, x plus 2 equals 0. Then I use my zero product rule, which means I set this to 0 and I set this to 0. And I solve two equations. X equals 6, one solution. X equals -2, my second solution. If I want to check those solutions, I can plug them back in. Either one should work out. There's two solutions. So if I take my first solution 6 and plug it into there, 36 minus 24 minus 12 equals 0. Should also work with the other solution. Next example, 4x cubed minus x equals 0. Can it be factored? It can, so go through your factoring strategy. First look for a GCF. In this case, it does have one, which is x. And now I look what I have left, which is the difference of two squares. Use my zero product rule, which means I set each factor, even that little guy, to 0. And I solve each of these three equations. This one I don't need to solve. X equals -1/2. Solve the third equation. And in this example, I get 3 solutions.